Georgia is known for its peaches and southeastern beaches, but did you know Georgia has deserts? No, not the kind with the sand and the rolling tumbleweed. Instead, we're talking legal deserts. Georgia has 159 counties, but its lawyers live in very few of them. Turns out better pay and career opportunities have disproportionately enticed the majority of the Peach State's jurists to Atlanta and its surrounding metro counties. That convergence on the metro has created deserts, particularly in more rural counties where more than 1 million people are left with little to no legal representation. With the number of underserved communities on the rise, judicial stakeholders are now strategizing ways to improve access to justice for those living and working within Georgia's legal desert. As of February of this year, data collected by the Georgia Legal Services Program indicated the metro Atlanta counties of Fulton, Cobb, DeKalb, and Gwinnett accounted for 35% of the state's citizen population, but a total of 70% of the state's attorneys. Even more alarming, Fulton County alone made up 40% of the state's licensed jurists. By contrast, more than 60 of Georgia's southern and rural counties have 10 or fewer lawyers each. And of those counties, at least 7 had 0 licensed attorneys. Those legal deserts include Baker, Clay, Echo, Glasscock, McIntosh, Schley, and Webster counties. And turns out there may actually be even more legal deserts. The data collected by the Georgia Legal Services Program reflects the number of jurists licensed per county by the State Bar of Georgia, regardless of their current roles. Because judges, prosecutors, and public defenders are included in the stats, the number of actual practicing attorneys available to provide legal representation might be even less, meaning more legal deserts may exist. What is clear is that the number of Georgia's legal deserts is on the rise. In 2016, the Center for Access to Justice at Georgia State University's College of Law conducted its own research on legal deserts. Back then, it identified 5 counties lacking a single licensed attorney and at least 59 counties with 10 or fewer bar jurists. In the 6 years since, those numbers have increased to at least 7 legal deserts and at least 67 counties with 10 or fewer jurists licensed with the State Bar of Georgia. The absence of readily available legal help has led judicial stakeholders to strategize ways to improve access to justice. Judges, lawyers, law professors, and nonprofit organizations have all been teaming up to create and provide legal resources. In addition to hosting legal clinics run by attorneys volunteering their time, jurists have spearheaded law libraries and legal self-help centers designed to fill the justice gap created by legal deserts. To further aid self-represented litigants, assistants called legal navigators are made available. They help identify necessary legal forms and filing procedures. Court forms are also in the process of being simplified, thanks to a plain language initiative rolled out by the Georgia Council of Superior Court Judges. Now court forms are being translated into PDF fillable formats with corresponding instructional videos. With about 1.1 million Georgians unrepresented, the state's 54,000 plus lawyers aren't enough to ensure representation for all. That's led to a push for more self-help resources to be rolled out throughout the state's legal deserts, but also for incentives to be offered, hoping to attract lawyers back to communities in need of local legal help. From award recognition to loan repayment, jurists are discussing a variety of incentivized solutions, all aimed at lessening the rural lawyer drought. Reporting for Law.com, The Daily Report, I'm Cedra Mayfield.